Today, let's talk about the Cassiopea sofa.
The bottom base was adopted by Unicase metal frame and the surface finished with technology leather. The most wonderful part is its color match.
For this side table, it's designed with the C shape and easy to move. It's really convenient and practical.
The sofa surface is full premium genuine leather with high density foam. Fixed cushion make this surface more flexible and generous. At the same time, in the middle of the sofa, we use natural Carrara marble top. It's one bright spot in the same technology leather finish with storage function. Its complete leather finish makes this sofa demonstrate with best effect in high request for handcraft. Cassiopea sofa every shape in the module also have many new creations. It has various combinations as you like. If you'd like to find a sofa design with full leather in a clear shape and a comfortable experience, please feel free to contact us to learn more details.